Today, we're tackling a huge question. How did our entire universe even begin?
The best answer science has is the Big Bang Theory. So let's break down what that really means.
Basically, the idea is the whole universe started from one unbelievably hot and dense point.
Okay, so this all happened 13.8 billion years ago, but what most people picture is actually wrong.
Get this, it wasn't an explosion in space, like some giant cosmic firework. That's not what happened.
No, it was an expansion of space itself, and it happened everywhere, all at the same time. A great way to visualize this is imagining galaxies are just dots on a balloon you're blowing up.
Okay, so what happened right after that? Let's walk through those first critical moments of the universe.
You can see the big steps here, from a hot particle soup to the very first stars lighting up. In those first tiny fractions of a second, it was just a hot soup of fundamental particles.
A few minutes later, things cooled just enough for the first nuclei of hydrogen and helium to appear.
Now, fast forward 380,000 years, a huge, crucial change happened. So what was it?
The universe cooled enough for atoms to form, and that's key, because light could finally break free. It's an amazing story, right? But how can we be so sure? Well, let's look at the proof. It really comes down to three key pieces of evidence that back this whole theory up.
First, we literally see the universe expanding. Hubble saw galaxies flying away from us, just like that balloon.
Second, there's a leftover glow, the ancient light from when the universe first became transparent. What's incredible is this echo of creation is everywhere, a faint signal coming from all directions in space.
And third, the recipe is right. The theory's math perfectly predicts the elements we should see today. Which of course brings us to the ultimate question. What was there before the beginning?
Here's the mind-bending part. The question might not even make sense, since time itself began then.
Stephen Hawking put it best. He said, asking that is like asking, what's north of the North Pole?
So the Big Bang wasn't a single moment. It was the start of the whole expansion, from then to now.
And that leaves us with a final, huge question. If space is still expanding, what is it expanding into?